I keep it West Side. I fucking keep it West Side. I keep it fucking West Side, dude. You wanna fuck around, man? I hear you come from the East. Huh? I heard he come from the East. Well, guess what? Ain't no party like a West Side party, motherfucker. What up, man? What up? You stepping on my Jordans, man. You stepping on my fucking sneakers, son. Ain't no party like a West Side party. This little motherfucker's about to get got. About to get got. Man, you fuck around on the wrong side of town, man. You fuck around on the wrong side of town. He's a good boy. I'll let him go. Oh God, and then he hugged me. All right, brother. All right. East Coast, West Coast love. Nothing but love, baby. Nothing but love. I wish Tupac and Biggie would have been able to come to the same conclusion. Love, baby. Hug me. Hug me, puppy. Hug me. Hug me. What up, motherfucker? Alright, now we gotta get this gangbang thing going on. Gang banging! Gang banging! Motherfucker! Mother. West Side! West Side! Fuck you, Mike! Aight! West Side! Motherfuck! 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 Mother! West Side! Oh, West Side! Hey! The moral of the story is sometimes us ghetto motherfuckers, we just can't see eye to eye. And the war is always gonna continue. What's sir? Alright. You fucking watch it, man. You fucking watch it. Alright. You motherfucking mother.